This is the summary created from video. Mobile Cloud Computing I. Mobile cloud computing seamlessly integrates the capabilities of cloud and mobile devices, driven by the growth of ubiquitous smartphones, low-cost, high-bandwidth, and resourceful devices. It enables offloading computation-intensive tasks like predictive modeling to the cloud for efficient processing. The amalgamation of mobile devices and cloud computing brings powerful data analysis capabilities, addressing the resource constraints of smartphones like battery life and storage. Cloud computing offers low-cost, elastic, on-demand services for risk-hungry applications, facilitated by initiatives like Mobile Backend as a Service, Amazon Silk, and Apple Siri. Mobile cloud computing enables faster app builds and revisions by leveraging cloud services. It allows offloading resource-intensive processes to the cloud for seamless execution, freeing mobile apps from device storage and processing limits. Cloud-backed apps can quickly and securely collect and integrate data from various sources, offering benefits like faster execution and battery saving, albeit with challenges like latency. Runtime offloading in mobile cloud computing faces challenges like profiling, partitioning, migration, and synchronization. Key components include a profiler, solver to select app segments for mobile or cloud execution, and a synchronizer module to combine split execution results. Simple APIs and web interfaces are crucial for developers to access cloud services without needing network technology knowledge. The mobile cloud computing architecture involves mobile devices offloading computing tasks to the cloud, requiring coordination between providers. Data and requests are transmitted from mobile devices to the cloud via networks for processing. The cloud offers advantages like extended battery life, storage, and processing power, along with reliability, availability, and security for data and services across devices. Mobile cloud computing raises privacy and security concerns regarding user data and identity. Safeguarding data secrecy from adversaries is crucial for consumer trust, as user data may be exposed across different cloud providers without knowledge. Mobile devices also face threats like malicious code and location tracking issues, necessitating threat detection techniques on the cloud or device-side monitoring. Context-aware services in mobile cloud computing aim to fulfill user preferences by providing tailored services. Network access management involves optimizing bandwidth usage and reducing latency. Quality of service, pricing models, and service-level agreements (LS) are crucial challenges to navigate. Standard interfaces and service convergence are needed for unified cloud utilization, enabling seamless device cloud integration to support resource-heavy mobile applications. In summary, offloading computing tasks to the cloud enables resource-intensive mobile applications. The amalgamation of mobile and cloud brings powerful data analysis capabilities, while cloud services facilitate faster app builds and revisions. Challenges include profiling and partitioning for seamless split execution across mobile and cloud. The cloud offers reliability, scalability benefits for mobile computing, but privacy and security in safeguarding user data across clouds remain key concerns. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.